Whenever we want to create something in our life that is good, whether it be a beloved, resources, appropriate opportunities, greater service, whatever it is, play with the idea that in order to be open to that, you would have to be open. And to open might trigger fear of not being safe, fear of not having control. And it's really, if we don't have control, then we might not be safe. And explore the idea that you, as a soul, and your body are at a certain point in your evolution where at some point in time in this incarnation, but definitely previous incarnations, you began to value safety. And when you began to value safety, you started to attain safety inside yourself. But then there are stages of evolution. When you started to value the safety and then attain the safety inside, you then got to a place of service that's codependent, wanting other people to be safe. So maybe for the last 1,000 years or 2,000 years or 5,000 years, you've been valuing safety, working on cultivating safety, but wanting safety for others, thinking that if you want for safety for others, and then you can create safety for others, then you will somehow conjure more safety for yourself and value that safety more and then receive that safety more. But then we go into the empathic loop and we're taking this incredibly beautiful, tender, exquisite fabric of safety that you started to attain and weave, and you're putting it out on other people's fields, and then you don't have it for you, and then you will not open to receive. So we're going to bring in an energetic protocol that goes back in time to the very first moment in whatever incarnation it was when you first started to value and attain a vibrational fabric of safety for yourself. And then we're going to calibrate it in the appropriate time spiral continuum to hold that vibrational fabric of safety entirely on your own self from that point, from that moment in time to this moment in time. And then in some dimensional reality, you never put your safety fabric on another. And then you are way more open to being open and receiving the good. So here we go. Deep breath in. And I'm actually going to create a separate track specifically for this protocol. An energetic protocol to assist you in retrieving and holding all of your safety fabric grids on yourself from the very first moment you began to attain it, however long ago that was. We invite you to take a deep breath in, to pull your energy and awareness into your divine line. As you hold your energy and awareness in your divine line, we invite you, soul rider, your body and teams to work with the energetic fields and the guides to reference that very first incarnation you started to value and attain safety. It might have been thousands and thousands of years ago. And just invite some energetic aspect of you, your body, your teams to go back to that moment in time. And then as some energetic aspect of you references that very first moment in time when you began to value safety, attain safety, weave a vibrational fabric of safety around you in that incarnation. We invite you, soul rider, at the level of your higher self, your body, Divas higher self, and teams to work with the energetic fields and the guides to calibrate your fields in that moment in time. To calibrate your fields to hold that vibrational fabric of safety on yourself in every single moment. Never place it on another. Never want it for another. Just want it for yourself. You're literally going back in time, inviting some energetic aspect of you, your body, your teams to calibrate your heart stance, your grids, your vibrational fabric, to only want safety for you, to weave your own vibrational fabric of safety on you, to calibrate your fields, to never place your safety fabric on another. And then in every single moment from that previous experience, incarnation, Continue weaving a stronger vibrational fabric of safety on yourself that you deeply, profoundly value. Explore the idea that as you weave this beautiful, incredible vibrational fabric of safety inside you, around you, in your individual divine cosmic loop, and you value it, you link in with a deeper sense of self-love, self-worth, safety inside. Always safe, no matter what dimension you're in, no matter what planet you're on, no matter what form you're in. Body always safe. And just keep holding space for some energetic aspect of you to recalibrate how you hold your safety fabric on yourself, retrieving your safety off of everyone and everything that you ever placed it on in any incarnation. Keep retrieving your fabric of safety off of everyone and everything from every single incarnation, amplifying and weaving a stronger current fabric of safety within and around you for you, soul rider, for your body and your teams, inviting your body to hold its vibrational fabric of safety on itself, not on you, soul rider, and not on any other body deva. Body deva, nature, spirit. Use your higher self, your energetic fields, to retrieve all of your fabric, your grids of safety off of every single body deva you have ever loved in all incarnations. Clean it, recalibrate it, reweave it, and wrap that vibrational fabric of safety on you, inviting your teams to do the same. And then body deva, link your sense of self-love, self-worth with this incredible fabric of safety that you have now been weaving for lifetimes. Continue doing that in the past, in that very first moment for you, so rider, your body and your teams. Recalibrating, reweaving. Instead of placing the safety fabric on others as a way of strengthening the fabric, weave it on yourself. Every single moment through the time spiral continuum to the present breath of now and beyond, rippling and reflecting that recalibration. Safety inside, safety around you, safety above you, safety in front of you, safety behind you, safety below you, safety surround you. And your one-liner on this one is, I am encircled in my own fabric of safety. I have safety inside. And that is primary. That's number one. We don't evolve, we don't receive, we don't shift, we don't change, we don't transform unless we're safe. Safety inside, safety inside. So if there's any aspect of your life that feels stuck, come back to safety inside, safety inside, safety inside. Body deva team, same. It also gives you more elasticity, more flexibility, more spaciousness around you. Taking a deep breath in, updating all of your grids, all your reference points, all ways in which you perceive. Letting that integrate.